This week we'll look at a difficult chess puzzle. It requires the courage to sacrifice even if you hardly have any pieces left. You get 1 minute to your disposal and your task is to find the checkmate that white performs on black in 3 moves. Good luck. We see here that white can check by moving the knight, and we have to keep in mind that performing other moves than checks are dangerous in this position because black has 2 more pieces than us, and also because if we wouldn't check, black would be allowed to choose his moves freely and he could then easily escape from this deadly position. So we'll move the knight, but the question is only where. We have 6 possible squares to jump to, and that's quite a lot of moves to analyze. So it's therefore a good idea to sort out the candidate moves and only analyze the best of them. If we imagine that all moves in which the knight lands on a square from where he's 1 move away from a check is a good move, we can at once figure out that knight f3 and knight f7 probably are the worst moves here. So what happens after knight captures on h7 check? Black has here 2 options. Either he captures the checking rook with his rook or with his knight. If black takes with the knight, we can play knight to f6 checkmate. But if black instead takes with the rook, we are no longer able to checkmate in 2 moves. Therefore, our first move must be knight to e4 check. And now the rook can't capture our rook any longer, so black is forced to capture with the knight. Now the f6 square is guarded by the knight on h7, but don't worry, because what we do here is play the very interesting move rook to g5 check, forcing black's knight on h7 to leave his square. And when he does, we are free to play knight to f6 checkmate. Well, I hope you've noticed that you're getting better and better at solving these chess puzzles. This was really a difficult chess puzzle, but still an excellent example of how to prioritize candidate moves to save some time. Great job, everyone!